In this question, x plus z is given as 3y, and we have x plus z here. So 3y plus y, 4y is equal to 12. Y is 3 simply. This means our equations with two variables, not 3. Let's write them once more. 2x plus 3 is equal to z because y is 3. X plus z is equal to 9. Here we can solve the question because we know z. Then x plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 2. They are asking x plus 2 and it is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. The answer is C. Let's talk about 112. Let's factorize 256. Then 8 times 7, 1. I am looking for square, so 16. 112 is equal to 16 times 7 root 112 is equal to 4 root 7. If product of a number and my number is a natural number, the number needs to involve root of 7. It must be related to root of 7 between root of 25 and root of 36. AB must be 28. Root of 28 includes root of 7 as 2 root 7. This means A is 2, B is 8, A plus B is 10. The answer is C. 13 factorial includes 110, at least 1, 2 and 5. This means last two digits are 0. C and D are 0. This is the trick. So we only need to find A and B. 6A, 7, 0, B, 0, 8, 0, 0. And this number 13 factorial is divisible by 11. 6 minus A plus A minus 7 plus 0 minus B plus 0 minus 8 plus 0 minus 0. Let's calculate the total. Let's do simplification. A's are gone. It's good for us. 6 minus 7 minus 1 minus 9. Minus 9 minus B is equal to multiple of 11. This means minus 11. B is 2. B is 2 because B is a digit. It cannot be another number. Then we need to find A. 13 factorial is also multiple of 9. So sum of the digits must be multiple of 9. Let's check that side. 6A, 7, 0. B is 2, we have found. 0, 8, 0, 0. What is the sum of this number? 7, 2 has gone. We have 6 plus 2A plus 8 is equal to 14 plus 2A is multiple of 9. It can be 18. So A also can be 2. 14 plus 4 is 18. Then A is 2, B is 2, C is 0, D is 0, total is 4. It was a tricky question. In this question, P varies inversely as V. PV is key. V varies directly as R square is equal to T. Then V is R square T. P times R square T is equal to key. T is constant, key is constant, so P times R square is constant. And we have given 7 and 2 corresponds to P and R. P is 2 times 7 square is equal to 98. It is the constant. Then we can write P times R square is equal to 98. It is B. The critical part of this question is here. 1 over 4 is 4 to minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 over 2, 1 over 2. This means 4 to the power of 1 over 2. This is root of 4 and the result is 2. When you understand this part, you can solve it easily. 3x minus 2 is bigger than 1 over 4 minus x. Let's continue. 3x plus x is bigger than 1 over 4 plus 2. 4x is bigger than 9 over 4, and then x is bigger than 9 over 16. The answer is E. Let's subtract 4 from all parts. We are going to reach minus 15 is less than or equal to minus 3x is less than or equal to 24. Let's multiply all parts by minus. Minus 24 is less than or equal to 3x is less than or equal to 15. Let's divide all sides by 3. Minus 8 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5. This means the answer is C. Let's make n the subject of the formula. W times 1 minus WCN is equal to 2V plus VCN. W minus 2V is equal to WCN plus VCN. And let's leave n alone. WC plus VC is here. W minus 2V is here. N is equal to W minus 2V over WC plus VC. And on the denominator, let's leave C out of the parentheses and W minus 2V over W plus V is our answer. The answer is B. How many numbers are there in this interval? There are 25 numbers. From 1 to 25. And we are requested divisible numbers by 2 and 3 in the same time. Who are they? They are 6, 12, 18 and 24. There are 4 numbers. According to probability function, 4 over 25 is our result. The answer is A. Fail times fail is 1 minus x times 1 minus y. Let's open the bracket. 1 minus x minus y plus xy. And it is 1 minus x plus y plus xy. The answer is C. Let's write the expression root of x plus 1 over root of x minus 1 plus root of x minus 1 over root of x plus 1. Let's equalize the denominator. Root of x plus 1, root of x minus 1. What are we going to see? X plus 2 times root of x plus 1 plus x minus 2 times root of x plus 1 over x minus 1. There is simplification. 2 times root of x minus 2 times root of x is 0. Totally, what do we have now? It's equal to 2x plus 2 over x minus 1 is equal to 4. This means 2x plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 4. 6 is 2x, x is 3. The answer is B.